Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel where I recreate and share authentic Chinese recipes every week. Summer is here, temperature rises, and taste buds close. This sour and spicy seafood salad we're making today stimulates the appetite and is perfect for the hot season. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please leave a comment or hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting recipes. For the ingredients, we will need shrimps, green shell mussels, sweet onion, a few cloves of garlic, red chili pepper, and a lemon. Cut the lemon into half. I only used half of the lemon for this recipe. Slice a quarter of the lemon, keep the other quarter for juice later. Dice the red chili pepper, mince the garlic, cut the onion into 2 cm wide chunk and separate into slices. I used about half of the medium-sized onion. Squeeze out lemon juice from the lemon piece we saved early on. Set aside. Let's blanch the seafood. Put the shrimp and mussels in boiling water. Cover the lid, bring to a boil, simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Or whenever the shrimp gets fully cooked, because I'm using cooked mussels. Turn off the heat. Transfer the blanched seafood to cold water immediately. While the seafood is cooling down in the cold water, let's finish preparing for the seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon cooking wine to the onion, garlic, lemon, and red chili pepper mixture. 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon. If you have white pepper, it is even better. Otherwise, black pepper will do. It just makes the final product a little darker. 2 tablespoons of wine. White wine is preferred, but I'm using red today. As you figure out, I ran out of white wine. Dark rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 2 teaspoons. Finally, dried red chili powder, 2 tablespoons. Mix. Drain the seafood off the cold water and mix with the seasoning. Cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. This step is critical. Two hours later, arrange the mussels to make our dish more presentable. Sometimes the look does matter. Add some scallion shred for garnishment. Pour a cup of your favorite beverage and enjoy. The mussels and shrimps are marvelously flavorful, and the onion, it's so crisp with the perfect seafood taste. Well, we're reaching the end of the video. If you enjoyed this episode, please press the like button and share a few comments, which will make my day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Thank you for your support and see you around.